All right, I'm in my Power BI portal now, or Fabric portal. So if you have mistakenly switched or in the Fabric portal, if your screen looks something like this, you can anytime navigate to the left bottom corner. Here you'll get Fabric and Power BI. You need to choose Power BI, right? Because we will be doing everything now related to Power BI. So this is the first step. Now, since we'll be demonstrating now the direct query, so first we need a workspace. We need to go here, workspace. Please make sure you are in the Power BI, not in the Fabric. Next, we'll click on new workspace. Let's give a name to our workspace like direct query demo. We'll leave everything as default. I'll click on apply. Now here, this is the workspace where our everything will be placed. Workspace is a kind of a logical separation, right? So here we'll be keeping all our resource. Now first things, we'll be requiring one lake house. We'll click on new item. Then we have a Fabric has got option to ingest sample data as well. Otherwise we got to upload data from our local computer or import from somewhere. So let's use the inbuilt mechanism called sample lakehouse. I'll click here. Let's click on upgrade. Let's click on OK. Now we have the lakehouse name public holidays. This is inbuilt provided by Microsoft by default. I'll click here and it says creating sample. So our sample data will get ingested now. Here we can see in the backend it's getting created. Now it says successfully created the sample. It looks good. Now from the Fabric part we are done. Now let's open Power BI desktop. All right, I'm in my Power BI desktop. I need to go to get data, then go to more, and here we'll be having the options for Microsoft Fabric. Since we have created one lakehouse, remember in the portal few moments back, we need to select lakehouse, click on connect. Now, as you can see, the public holidays, which we the sample warehouse, sample lakehouse was created few moments back, is now appearing. It might prompt you to log in. If you are not signed into your Power BI desktop, it will prompt you with your user ID and credentials. Please sign in. You'll find this. Now I'll select my lake house, and the location, if you look, it's the workspace, right? Direct query demo, which we have created. If you look here, let me relate you direct query demo. Remember this workspace we have created few moments back. Now this lake house, we are basically browsing from our Power BI desktop, and which has public holidays here, the table. Now let's go back to Power BI desktop. Now I'll click on connect. Now you'll get a prompt to provide your email ID and password. So let's provide our credentials, and then I'll click on next and continue. All right. Once you are signed in with your credentials, it will look something like this. We'll select public holidays because we are interested in this. Now it will preview the data here. So this is basically the data present in the public holidays. Now let's click on load here. Now we'll get an option for direct query. So this is how we use direct query. I'll select direct query and click on now OK. And there we go. It's synchronizing. And there we go. It appears on the right hand pane, that is the data pane. It's now appears. Now we can choose something like table so that we can view in a tabular form. I'll select tick mark the required columns, what we want to view, maybe everything. Now if I expand this, I'll get all the details here. So that's how we use the direct query, and the data is, you can see it's getting populated, right? So that's what it goes for this tutorial. Let's meet in our next lecture.